strategy like that start kariyo like
Hello, students. We are going to discuss about the Adarsh Navodaya entrance examination. If you understand or do the sums we are given to you, then it is very easy for you to solve the question and answer in the question given to you. So download the apps and try to attend the live classes.
5 minute
Now,
5 minute wait kariyo
now I am discussing you. You download the things. I am now the first chapter, the number system. Now you download. After 5 minutes, I will start the class. So please download as much as possible. So download the facts and try
ନା
to.
ପଢିକି ଗୁଡ ଇଭିନିଂ ପଢିବି
Acha, now Anjana Marana, Nishant Mahala, and Trishu Pradhan. Yes, you are sub. I am writing your names and in many other also there. So download the your very good morning to from me. So try to attend the class and give your concept. If I am some wrong, then I will try to solve you. And if you are any question, I also give you the proper answer as I know. So it is very easy for you to solve the question and answer, and you will. I assure you, you must secure good marks and do your maths and do your career in a very systematic order. Now you see the how many students are joined now. So join them because in previous video some students told me that sir I was not understanding anything because they are joining very late. If you join very late, then you cannot understand. So after live class, you can also it is also your video. So on you if when you want, you can open the app and see the video so that it is understand. It is very easy for you to understand. So I am doing my live class after 2 minutes. So try to download the things. Download the app.
ଗୁଡ ଇଭିନିଂ ଅଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ୟୁ
Good evening. Good evening, all of you. So I am my. This is the first class. Although it is evening, but I am good morning. I am giving you good morning. Why? Now it is my first class. So when I give you at any moment, it is good morning from for you, all of you. So it is good evening now. Now you see my first class. So give comments on your video. I am explaining you the number system. The number system is one of the basic needs of human race. People in the different parts of the world try to write the number according to them. So our country, India, also invented number system in higher classes. You know more about the different number system. Now we are discussing about the concept of number system written or used in calculation of different things. Now our country, you see, our country is not a small country. Many mathematicians, many persons try to solve their problems according to them. We do not understand why they invented such a things. They are very when something is needed by us, we try to do different things. So number system is one of them. When you do calculation of different things, we try to do something. So for these, the mathematicians, some wise persons who were there in that time, they tried to invent a number system. Our Indian mathematician is very good in mathematics. Now you are living in such a country that is very good in mathematics. In every over all over the world, you can see the Indians are very knowledgeous. In every part of the world, they are in mathematicians, the mere knowledgeous persons in all over the world. So mathematics is the only subject where you can get many things. You get knowledge. So I am explaining you the fact, so try to understand it. Now, how many students are there? Now, here are how many students? For 12 watching. Now, try to download many students. Now, we are now discussing who are interested. Those are always try to attend the live class. It is very good for you. We write the number using different digits. Those digits are, what are those? Now you see those digits are the digits. What here are the digits? Now here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 7, 8, 9 and 0. Is this 0? A 0 is the only number. It is invented by our Indian mathematician. So, by using the above digits, we write different numbers. You know about them in lower classes very well. Now, I am going to discuss about the things you know well. So, try to understand it and try to solve the questions given to you in your book, also given to by us. So natural numbers. We are also discussing and give the questions. If you ask the questions, any question to me, then I will try to explain you and give the perfect answer. Now you see natural numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers which are also called counting numbers. Till today, till to your class 5 or 6, till to your class, the you are counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. These are 4, then 5, 6. I am giving the example 1, 2, 3, and 4, then give some dots. If you write the dots after a sequence, then you will get many things. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 all are natural numbers. Natural numbers are also called counting numbers. Now, till today, we count the number like one digit number. One digit numbers are begin from 1 and ends at 9. Two digit numbers are begin from 10 and ends at 99. Three digit numbers are begin from 100 and ends at 999. Now, here you see, if you know the things, you see one digit numbers, these are the one digit numbers. Here you see 1 to 9, these all are one digit numbers. Now, one digit numbers begins from 1 and 9, there are 9 in all. Now you see in two digit numbers, there are 10 to 99. If you ask how many number, if I ask you how many numbers are there in two-digit numbers, now you see there are 92-digit numbers. How you get it? Now you get here 99 minus 10 is equal to what? 89. Now you see 89 plus 89 plus 89 plus 1 is equal to 90 is equal to, here you see 89 plus 1 is equal to 90. Now when in this way three-digit numbers are from what? Three-digit numbers are begin from 100 and ends at 99. If you want to know how many three-digit numbers are there, simply subtract greater number 999 minus 100. It is 899. Add 1. So it is 900. So 899 plus 1 is equal to 100. So now you see the three-digit numbers are then comes four-digit numbers. Four-digit numbers are begin from 100 and ends at 999. 9999. Then five digits. In this way, there is a very good rule. So one digit number is only 9, two digit number is 9 after 10, three digit numbers are 9 after 20, four digit numbers are 9 after 30, five digit numbers are 9 after 40, means total 5 numbers. This is the rule. So how to find it? I was explaining you. Now you also try to understand it. Now here is here 9,999 minus 1 is minus 10,000 is 99,999 minus 9,99,999 minus 1 lakh is equal to 8 lakh 99,999. If you add 1 with them, then you get 9 lakhs. So 6-digit numbers are 9 lakhs. Now you see 7-digit numbers begins from 10 lakhs. 1 after 60. There is 7 digits. So 979 is there. 9,99,999. In this way, 8-digit numbers are there. So here is also another way. The successor of a number is always one more than the number, and the predecessor of the number is always one less than the number. So when you want to find the successor of any number, it may be how many digits, 2 digit, 3 digit, what it may be, but the rule is always same. So if I ask you what is the successor of 5, you easily tell it is 6. Why? You know well. But when there is a very large number and you want to find the successor, simply add them so that it is easy for you. After doing some example, you can easily find the successor in your own mind. So try to give the numbers. Now, in this way, predecessor is also when you subtract 1 from the given number, you get the predecessor of the number. From the above facts, you can see difference between the greatest one-digit number and the smallest two-digit number is always 1. Means the two-digit number, greatest two-digit number and smallest three-digit number is also 1. Greatest three-digit number and smallest four-digit number is also 1. So similarly, you can see the other numbers like difference between the greatest two-digit number and smallest three-digit number is always 1. You also see other numbers. From the natural number above mentioned, we further divided them into different numbers. What are those? Now you see odd numbers and even numbers. Odd numbers are which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. You can see in the odd numbers are not in pairs. So all the odd numbers end with digit 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 at the right side of the number or ones place of the number. Now you see the example, I am giving some example, 1 digit number, 2 digit number, 3 digit number. So in here you can see in every number you can see there are different numbers, 1 digit numbers, 2 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers. These are the different numbers. Now students, if you want to give, ask some questions, comment in the, write the questions and come. So give me the things. So I'll explain in this class, live class. Now you see even numbers. The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. You can see in the even numbers, the numbers are in pair. So all the even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at the right side of the number or in the ones place of the number. So the example of even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16. I am now showing the some numbers. Now you see these are the numbers. These are the numbers, even numbers. These all are even numbers. Okay. Now you see in here you see all the numbers are end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So try to understand it. Now you see whole numbers, like natural numbers, whole numbers are also natural numbers included with 0. The number when included with 0 with the counting number or natural number is known as the whole numbers. So example of whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, dot, dot. Means in this way you go. Like natural numbers, whole numbers are not end. But here you can see the smaller natural number is 1, but the smaller whole number is 0. So there is a question arises. What is this? Now, is all the whole numbers are in natural number? Obviously not, because 0 is in the whole number, whereas 1 is in the natural number. 0 is not in whole numbers. So every natural number in whole numbers, but every whole numbers are not in the natural number set. So try to understand it. Now ask someone, like the video, you are enjoying the class. If you have any doubt, then write it in the comment box so that I am explaining you and you will understand it properly. So write it comment box if you do not understand anything. Now what is, which is not understanding by you? Now who comments? Good evening. So who is commenting that I am not understanding? Now comment so that I will explain you. Now you see integers. When the whole numbers is further included with the negative numbers, then the set of number is called integers. Now integers are the numbers. Mine dot dot dot, here example is given. Dot 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 means in this way go -3, -2, -1, 0 and 1, 2, 3. Here this is a good concept. Now you see, from the set of integers you can see 0 is such a number which is neither negative nor positive. But the right side of 0 is right side of 0 is right side of 0 you get the positive natural numbers, and left of 0, you can find the negative natural number. So 0 is called the boundary of negative and positive number. To do the calculation, we have to know different rules for solving the problems. Some of the rules are divisibility rules. Now, you see, rule of 2. When a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, 4, 6 or 8, then the number is divisible by 2. So, all the even numbers are divisible by 2. From this rule, you can see every even numbers are divisible by 2, but no odd number is divisible by 2. Now, you see, these are the numbers. I am giving some example, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, and 4-digit numbers. So, all the numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So, these numbers are divisible by 2. 26 is 6 is at the right side or ones place. 142, 2 is at the right side. 370, 0 is at the right side. So 564, 4 is there. 1700, 0 is there, etc. are all divisible by 2. Now, subscribe our YouTube channel so that you will get every update about live classes as well as about your latest updates of others and other examination. So, someone is any doubt, so ask the comment in Acha whole numbers. Now, Anjarana Maharana, you are commenting. You are not understanding by understanding the whole numbers. Now I am explaining you. Whole numbers are the numbers. Now here I am going to the whole number. Now whole numbers are the numbers. You see here, whole numbers are the numbers begin with 0. Counting numbers begin with 1. So including counting numbers, you write the 0 at the left of a natural numbers or the counting number so that you will find the set of whole numbers. I think you are understanding the fact. If you are not understanding, then you also see the video and read it so that it is easy for you to solve. Now I am going to the next video, next class. Now you see rule of 2. These are the rule of 2. Now you see rule of 3. When sum of the digits, when is sum, here you see the sum is here given SOME, but it is SUM. So try to write SUM. Sum means addition. Here, understand it. Now you see this, caught it, sum. This sum, you caught it. Now you caught the sum because it is written wrongly. So when the sum of the digit of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Here I am giving some example. Here a 2-digit number is 54. Is this divisible by 3 or not? So add them. 54 is equal to 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So 9 is in the 3 table. 372. 372 is also divisible by 2 because now 7 plus 3, 10 plus 2, 12. So try to add them. You get 12. Any number when you want to find it is divisible by 2 or not. So simply add them. Add the digits. If the sum is divisible by 3 or in 3 table, then it is easy to understand it is divisible by 2. Now, here are rule of 4. The number made by tens and ones digit is divisible by 4, or both the tens and ones digit, both the digits are 0, then the number is divisible by 4. Example 224. Acha. Now you see, please do all the exercise given in our Notepad Academy app. If you do not practice sufficient questions, then my whole class will go to vain. Please practice all the questions simultaneously after my class. And if any doubt is there, then comment, and then download the app, comment what you need. We will arrange next live class so that you will understand properly. I try to now.
Devanshi sir.
Devanshi Saus, I am not what you are not understanding. Rule of one. There is, you see, rule of one. There is no rule. If you do not understand, there is no rule, because every number, what do you think? Every number is divisible by 2. Now, you are going to discuss the prime number and composite number. When you go to the prime and composite number, then you can understand that there is no rule. Every number is divisible by 1. So there is no rule. Clear? Now you see, rule of 5. If the number having 0 and or 5 in its unit place or ones place is divisible by 5. Now, here are some 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, as well as 4-digit numbers. Now you see, every numbers has 35 has 5, 85 has 5, 110 is 0, and 130 is 0 at the right side, 2500 is 00, it is also divisible by 5, etc. Are the numbers divisible by 5? Because all the numbers have 0 and 5 in its unit place. Now, you see, rule of 6. Now you understand the rule of 2. Means when a number is even or ones place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number is divisible by 2. Similarly, you also understand the rule of 3. Rule of 3 is what? The sum of the digits in the number is divisible by 3. Then the number is divisible by 6. When both the numbers are divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. Here I am giving some example. 54 is a number. Is it divisible by 4? Divisible by 2? Yes. Why? Because its unit digit is 4. So is it divisible by 3? Yes. Why? Because the sum of the digits is 9. Here 66. 66 is divisible by 2 as well as 3. 84 is divisible by 2 as well as 3. 96 is divisible by 2 as well as 3. So 114 is divisible by 2 as well as 3. 336 is divisible by 2 as well as 3. In this way, you can take the any number and see is it divisible by 2 and 3 both. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. Now, rule of 9. I am not giving the rule of 7 and 8 because it is in, you are understanding this in higher classes. Or in live classes, I will explain you. But if you download my video, then download my other classes. I do not give you the live class for this. If you like, then I will also do. Now, if sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Like 3, sum of the digits 54, 144. If you add all the digits, you will get 9 or 18 or in 9 table. So, the number 54, sum is 9, so it is divisible by 9. 144, sum is 9, so it is divisible by 9. 189, sum is 18. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 9, 18. 207, sum is 9. When are divisible by 9? Because the sum of all the numbers, all the digits of each divisible by 9. Now you see, rule of 10, it is very easy. Only see the right side digit. If it is 0, then it is divisible by 10. So only when you see, and when you divide a number by 10, simply cut the 0 from right side and you will get the quotient. Now 50, if you divide 50 by 10, you get 5, 80 by 10, you get 8. So there is 0. Now I am explaining the divisibility test because when you do some calculation, then you will sufficient time save for the solving the sums. Now you see rule of 11. A rule of 11, if the difference between the sum of even place digit and odd place digit is 0 or a multiples of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. 121. Here the even place digit and odd place digit. You see I am highlighting in red color the odd place digits and even place digit in black. So right, so only simply add the red digits. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and subtract the sum from the numbers 2 is equal to, you get 0. 231, you get also 2 plus 1, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 495, 4 plus 5, 9 minus 9, 0. 3124. Now you see 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So 3124 is also divisible by 11 because all the numbers having different between the sum of odd place digits and even place digit is 0. So it is easy for you to solve the problems. Now you see, similarly you see here some rule. 10,318 red digits are odd digits, and now you see 1 plus 3 plus 8 is equal to what? Now is equal to 1 plus 3, 4 plus 8, 12. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. So it is in 11 table. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Here 0, 11 and 0 is equal to what? Now say 11. 5 plus 8, 13. 2 plus 0, 2. 13 minus 2 is equal to 11. 90,926. 9, 9 and 6. When you added, what you get? 9, 9, 18 plus 6, what? 24 minus 0 plus 2, 2. 24 minus 2 is equal to what? Now 22. It is also divisible by 11. So the total number, all the numbers are divisible by 11. On the above example, the red color digits are odd place digit and the black color digits are even place digit. So try to understand the concept and do the according to the sums given to you. Now, in this way, there are different rules to find the number which are divisible by other numbers or not. So try to understand the rule properly and it is easy for you to do the sums in examination. By the above digits, you use the making of number. You see some good things which is very useful in mathematics. Use the different digits, we make different numbers. Now, try to give comments and download the video so that it is easy for you to do the sums. Now I am giving some questions. Write the number using the digits 8, 7, 6 and 9, making the largest and smallest 4-digit numbers. The largest or greatest 4-digit number is simply arrange the digits from greater to smaller. 9,876, and the smallest number is smallest to ascending order. Here you write greatest descending order, here write ascending order. Now the smallest number is 6,789. Write the greatest and smallest number using the digits 2307. Here the greatest number is descending order, right? But in smallest number 0 is not at the right side, left side. So 2 comes there, then which number is after 0 is smallest comes that number. Now you see 2037 means 2037 is the smallest number. Now sum of the numbers from 1 to different numbers. It is very useful concept. For this, you can calculate all the numbers given to us but it is very time consuming, so that it is very difficult sum. When you add them one by one, but if you know the rule how to do it, then it is very easy to do the sums and make you happy for doing the calculation. Here I am giving you an example. Now, sum of the digits from 1 to 10. Can you tell which is the smallest out of them? The smallest is 1 and largest is 10. So, here the smallest number is 1 and the greatest number is 10. So, sum of all the numbers is equal to first number plus last number, or smallest number plus largest number, into how many numbers? Means there are 10 numbers in all, by 2, division 2. So here first number is 10 plus first number is 1 plus last number is 10. First number plus last number into how many numbers? And there are 10 numbers in all, division 2. So 11 into 10 division 2, 110 division 2 is equal to 55. If you calculate all the numbers, you will see the numbers. In this way, you can understand the fact and try to solve the questions. Now, you see, thank you all of you for your cooperation. Subscribe our YouTube channel so that you will get every update. If you will success in your examination, I will think that my teaching will be successful. In next video, you will see many useful concepts. So try to download our useful YouTube channels so that it is easy for you to solve the problems. So good night. Now I am stopping.